Sige, bagla.
Ayan, sige, subukan mo. Pupunan ko. Buka yan. Sige na.
Sige na.
Pupunan ko, ilalive ko para makita na tumatalon. Sige na, at may dadang ko.
These are my friends from Australia. Inday, my college friend. And Pam.
Tumalon.
Yes. It's live daw.
Talon. Kunyari, talon ka, pero ganyan ka lang. Kaya nagagawa yung camera eh.
I have now my free day and my friend. So we just... Huh?
Gumalaw ka naman.
Yan.
Galaw.
Okay na. Ano naman? Ano ba namang talon yun? Ako nga. Ano gagawin ko? Tatalon ako. I-push mo yung button na parang nag-video siya. Yun yung naka-photo ka ha? Oo, live.
Yeah, that's...
Iganon mo lang yung...
Hello, Ivy. Ma'am Ivy. We are here in Solothurn, another canton. Yes. We're just making our suroy-suroy with our friends from Sydney. This is another canton. I'm just live with you guys. Yeah. It's so cold here, out here. Ja, locker mal da. Hoi, wie geht's dir?
Schon ewig nicht.
Ich habe jetzt mit meinen Freundin hier
Schön.
und gehe nach Antonias Haus besuchen.
Ja, viele Grüße bestellen.
Ja, wo wohnst du jetzt?
Immer noch in Grenchen.
Immer noch in Grenchen.
Ja,
Und wo arbeitest du?
Ich bin seit 3 Jahren pensioniert. Gott sei
Sag
Dank.
nicht.
Bin
Und
froh.
ich bin immer noch am Arbeiten, aber jetzt habe ich frei und dann besuche ich jetzt
Ja,
dann
das ist schön.
Solothurn.
Liebe Grüße bitte von mir.
Ich werde dies
bestellen.
auch Marlies ausrichten, ja?
Und ich besuche jetzt gleich Elsa.
Elsa,
Ja.
sag mir doch Elsa einen Gruß.
Ja, der wird sich freuen.
Ja,
das ist
sag
Zufall.
nicht doch. Ja,
Ganz
die Jutta.
schön. Ja.
Ich habe ja einmal besucht und habe ich dann
Ja,
die Franziska Holzer.
ja.
Sie war ja auch krank. Sie konnte
Ja.
nicht einmal
war krank, weiß ich
so ein immer schwindlig.
Ui.
Ja, und dann habe
Zum
ich dann
Schaffen unmöglich in der Küche.
ja, kann auch sein.
Und
Aber
dann?
und dann nachher musste Marlies dann nein, Marie-Therese einfach in Zimmer ein bisschen zum
Ja.
Ausruhen.
Ja,
Aber nachher wusste ich nicht mehr, weil ich musste auch wieder zurück.
ja.
Ich wohne in
Wie
Luzern.
ist- Ah, weit weg.
Ja,
Ja, schön.
ja, das war auch. Das
Schöne
war einen. Ja, das war anders. Das sind meine Kolleginnen.
Schön.
Die andere ist nur dann im Zug, haben wir getroffen.
Ach,
Das ist auch unsere Pflegefachfrau gewesen. Und dann habe ich gesagt, das ist doch Jutta. Das ist schon funktioniert.
Man trifft doch, gell?
Ja.
Je nachdem.
Sie wohnt in Grenchen. Pam, und das ist ein Naturmuseum. Pam, that is Naturmuseum. You can go there for free. It's a very nice one.
Und Parkplatz wird aufgehoben hier.
Ja, nicht mehr
Letzte
können.
Freude.
Gott sei Dank, da
Weg
ist es
mit den
immer.
Autos.
Ja.
Das ist viel schön.
Okay. Du,
Also, hat mich sehr gefreut. Schönen
Jutta,
Tag.
die Glocke mit 12 ist doch da vorbei, ne?
Ja, ja.
Hier. Ja, we'll
Ja,
go.
ja, noch ein Stück.
Nachher we'll go there.
Also viel
Okay.
Freude.
Tschüss, Jutta. Ich werde es ausrichten, ja?
Ich auch bei Elsa.
Okay, tschüss.
Kilala kasi. Dito ka dati.
Oo.
Dito ka dati nakatira.
Oo. Plötzlich siehst du. Hä?
Pwede mo, ay, mga nagtatahi.
Craft store.
'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store. 'Craft store.
minus,
Ano?
No.
Temperature.
the temperature is minus 1. Oo. Hindi pa. We'll go there and then...
Ano na yan?
No, that's not. That is a church. Hi guys, welcome to my live stream with my friends. Today is my free day, but I give my day for sorry with my friend.
Anong church ito?
That is the Jesuit church. Jesuit. Hello, Dai. You'd like to have 5,000 viewers?
Yes.
You have to go there with the Donkolis.
Yeah.
Donkolis and the Dong Ivy community.
Yeah.
That is in Cebu. In Talisay, where you live. Here we can pass by here, and then we can. So this is the old town. Day, you like pondu? Chef, di sana ganas ta Milana. Pero diha sa kaning katong Astoria kanang mga ta. You have Astoria.
Astoria?
Sa taas.
Oh, really? That's good. Sounds good.
Then kuwat na to nata pero kay nanilig pa man sa in town to.
Aya?
Ingon siya nilig pa siya.
Basig na to siyang usawis-uri ta mo naniligaan.
Masin.
Pareho ang salita ng latest sa
Liti, Bisaya.
may differences.
The accent maybe the intonation. But we have the same. You are from Masbate.
So combined Bicol
Huh?
and Bisaya.
Bicol Bisaya. My friend, Ivy Clotario. He's from Bicol. I think so. Hello, Lee. Nag-aantay na yun si ano. Meron kasi silang Inday, live stream sa, di ba yung mga live stream, mag-join ka. Tapos you can, yun yung subs to sub ba yun? You have to subscribe this person, and then you will subscribe you back.
You can
That
have
is,
the
yeah.
access
Then
there.
you can have your subscribers. That's why
Give and take.
give and take. Yeah, for free.
But sad today, I don't have any subscribe.
Because you did not start. Once you start, you can have.
Maybe. Yeah.
Yes, because this, yung lingaw-lingaw ba for fun.
Yes.
It makes me really very, alive and doing during free days and gawa ng videos.
That's good.
Anong work niyo?
Hospital. Asa?
Nurse ikaw?
Siya din, nurse din yan.
Nurse ka rin? Ay, nurse.
Hi, Ramil!
Ba't niya napili?
Welcome to my live stream.
Hindi kami dinala ng
Hindi,
Nakaswerte
maginaw
ka lang
dito.
Kaysa sa Saudi ka pa napunta. O doon sa Amerika ka pa napunta. Masyado
Gulong sa Amerika.
Oo. Hindi, monetary, mayroon sa Amerika. Kaso lang, iba ang sistema nila din yung transportation nila na lang. Ay, naku.
Faster, easier.
it's different. From America, from Europe.
Of course, yes.
So we are now in the city. This is the city.
Market, the market.
The market.
Saan ang Old Town?
This is the old town.
Oh, Old Town.
We are already here.
And that is the cathedral.
Yeah. That is the Rizal.
And then the clock. We'll go there to the clock. The 11 clock.
Every day,
very cold towns. Ha?
Kasi silang gusto sila dito sa katedral.
Mao lagi. Ako pa na lang siyang bilaan kay
Gani ilit ko si
ako sa tuluan ka ng sa clock. Nya dahil maadto na ta.
Ogi
Okay. Pam, at least will show you that clock.
sila ilang kabalang agenda ba?
Oh, they have.
Inay, ano,
Oo.
nam-nam.
Nam.
Ano mata kay pwede pa matang balik.
Oo, good. And we'll take over to Australia and to Manila.
Di sila mahusok dito.
Ha?
Di na sila mahusok. Ikaw kay mo kag Manila.
Ano pa? Tagal pa. So, I will show them there. At 11 o'clock, that already 11. This clock here, yes,
Ay, is this the one?
this is the one. When the clock, when 11 o'clock will ring, the person there will come around and tang. Yeah. Yes, it's only 11. Hindi na natin sila nakita. Huh?
Sila inanana oh.
Huh? Hi. Hello, my friends. They have here, they're very fresh. Huh? That's not 12, that's 11, only 11, you have to count. Fresh oranges. Grüezi, sind die Orange einfach da von hier? For Calabria, from Italia. From Italy. These oranges, very fresh. Yeah, fresh oranges. And then granata, we have all granatas. Yeah. That is the clock. Then these people there upstairs, they will at 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, they will ping ping, just like in Basel with the monot glocke.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We saw that.
Yeah.
Aso, picture.
Hi, Pam. This
Hello
Pam.
again.
Hello again.
Hello again.
We
Dai. We found
Ano bang
it.
story nitong clock na to? Hindi pa
Huh?
ako
Si Tita.
Um,
alam.
Oo nga eh. Hindi pa ako nagbabasa sa kanyang binatala.
You have to read this 11 the ano ba yun? Here in
May
Solotor.
story.
So,
Nasa internet yung story.
hindi kayo magsama kasi punta kami doon sa nagantay na ang namin. So, you have to
Mauna na kayo.
sige, magkita lang siguro tayo dito.
We may meet.
Ha?
Basta kami
You have your telephone.
dahan-dahan lang.
I can call you in Messenger.
Sige, sige.
Okay.
Okay.
Mag-picture muna kayo.
Meet your friend.
Mag-meet kami, tapos magpunta kami dito.
Kasi
Magkain tayo.
pupunta pa kami dun sa
Yeah.
yung ano yun, yung market, yung may mga art.
Yung mga art. Kasi last time na lang. Andoon yan sa may bridge.
Tomorrow lang kasi last day nga eh. Kami, ngayon lang kami.
Sana sama kayo sa amin. Magkain tayo dan sa sa city.
Sige na.
Sige. Sige, okay.
Thank you.
Sige, bye-bye, ha? God bless. Ingat. Okay. Ginaw day.
Bitaw, tugnaw,
Ba?
bitaw.
Ha?
Tugnaw.
Mas tugnaw karon kay sa gapon.
Mo gani. Kumpiyansa ko ako'y hansyo gida.
Ako ganito kapulan na ning akong kamot.
Pero sige na. Kaya na.
Eh?
Sa mga barakong pareha na to.
Barak. Maogan.
Kaya. Kaya gani sa kay plano nga pilwero pa.
Na mao gyud. Mga Pinoy gani dahil sa asa na ibutang.
Oh, ito.
Kayo, we Filipinos, we are the master of master of non-jack about rates.
Puro rasugod. Puro starting.
Oh. But we can be pupunta tayo doon,
Yes.
walang problema.
Kahit buntod-buntod.
Hello.
Daanan. Kayahon.
Kakayahin. Oo. Kasi market. Kimchi rice. Pero aslo man ang kuana. Tana, nay, 4 who make thumbs up.
Nana?
Thumbs up, and then 3 who are there with us. Hello guys. The two friends of ours, they are in the city. So kami, oo.
They decided to stay in the old
In
town.
the old town, and we decided to make another, enjoy our meeting together here in this town. Malamig kasi. Oo. So we'll pass by there day.
Yes.
This is the old. This is also very old.
Famous.
Famous. Mhm. Sa Zurich naman, you are good there in Zurich. Mawala ako sa Zurich.
So, it is my
Punta ako
time.
sa Zurich, ikaw ang guide. Uh-huh.
Yes.
Uh-uh.
And a good tour guide.
Tour guide.
Just tell me when
I will tell you.
and make me a call, give me a call.
Yes,
and then
yes.
I'll be there.
Yes.
And you'll see there.
Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll have to stop now my live stream, and thanks for being there with me.
Thank you.
Sama-sama sa pag-view ng live stream ko. Just only for a few minutes. For 17 minutes lang. For 20 minutes. Kasi hindi na ako nakasali sa live stream ni Dong Ivy kasi busy kami last time for nursing assessment. So now is my free day. Only time for being with friends. Pasensya mo na kayo sa mga kadong IB team and community. Jesus is Lord. I am here, my friend.
Yes.
Join with us with praying together for the peace and for the whole world,
Amen.
for all men, because we really need prayers. Just not only blogging and earning money and making enjoyments, but we have also to do some things for our life. So thank you for being there, yung nanonood. Just arriving here. Maginaw kasi yung kamay ko nag-freezing. Yeah. Okay, bye.